Note down definition, everyone. A number is divisible by 6. A number is divisible by 6. Divisibility rule of 6. A number is divisible by 6. A number is divisible by 6 if it satisfies if it satisfies the divisibility rule of the divisibility rule of both 2 and 3. 2 and 3. How to say the given number is divisible by 6? Means that number will satisfy the divisibility rule of 2 and 3. Example, 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 example. First example, 2310. Now, first I want to check this number is divisible by 2 or not. How to check? If once a place a digit is coming 0, then I can say this number is divisible by 2. Now this number is divisible by 2. Divisible by 2. Why this number is divisible by 2? Because once a place digit is 0. If once a place digit is coming 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, then I can say the given number is divisible by 2. Now I want to check this digit is divisible by 3 or not. How to check? Sum of all digit is multiple of 3. 2 plus 3 plus 1 plus 0. Now 2 plus 3, 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 0, 6. Yes. This number also divisible by 3. Then we can say answer. Hence 2310 is divisible by 6. Hence 2310 is divisible by 6. Next, example 2. Example 2, I am writing one digit. Now I want to check this digit is divisible by 6 or not. Firstly, I want to check this number divisible by 2. This number divisible by 2 or not? Yes, because once the place digit is 0. Now this number divisible by 2 first, because once the place digit is even number, divisible by 2. Now I want to check this number is divisible by 3 or not. How to check? Sum of all digit. 5 plus 4 plus 2 plus 5 plus 2. 5 plus 4, 9. 9 plus 2, 11. 11 plus 5, 16 plus 2, 18. 18 is coming in 3 table. 3 6 are 18. Yes, this number is also divisible by 3. Divisible by 3. If this number is divisible by 2 and 3, then I can say, yeah, this digit is also divisible by 6. Means 54,252 is also divisible by 6. Hence, hence 54,252 is divisible by 6. Example 3. Yeah, 5,410. I want to check this number is divisible by 6 or not. Firstly, I want to check this number is divisible by 2 or not. Yes. Why? Because 0 is present on which place? Ones place. Divisible by 2. Now I want to check this 5,410 is divisible by 3 or not. How to check? Sum of all digit. 5 plus 4 plus 1 plus 0. 5 plus 4, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 0, 10. Now 10 will come in 3 table. No, 3 3s are 9. 3 4s are 12. This number is not divisible by 3. Not divisible by 3. If this number is not divisible by 3, then I can say 5,410 is not divisible by 6, because only one condition is satisfying. Second condition is not satisfying. Then I can say 5,410 is not divisible by 6. Hence, 5410 is not divisible by 6 because this digit is divisible by 2 but not divisible by 3. Are you getting my point, students? Next, divisibility rule of 7. Divisibility rule of 7. Actually, student, this concept is not there in your syllabus, but I am teaching, don't worry. Divisibility rule of 7. Divisibility rule of 7. Divisibility rule of 7. Now all students stop writing. How to check the given number is divisible by 7 or not? Listen carefully, everyone. Srikshita, listen carefully. I have written one example, 672. Listen carefully, everyone. I have written one digit, 672. I want to check 672 is divisible by 7 or not. How to check? Listen carefully, my word, everyone. First step, I will take double of unit place. Means double of unit place. Unit place is what? 2. Double of 2. Double means 2 into 2 is equal to 4. Listen carefully. If I want to check the given number is divisible by 7, step first, double of one's place. Double of unit place. Unit place is 2. 2 into 2, 4. Now, I have taken double of one's place. Remaining digit, what is there here? Remaining digit is 67. Now, remaining digit 67 minus double of that digit is equal to 63. Listen carefully, students, what I have done here. Firstly, I have taken double of one's place. 2 into 2, 4. This digit has come 4. After that, except one's place, remaining digit I will write here, 67 minus double of one's place, 4. 67 minus 4 is equal to 63. Now I will check 63 is coming 7 table or not. 7 nines are 63. Then I can say 63 divided by 7, it is coming whole number. Then I can say, yes, this digit is divisible by 7. Are you getting my point, students? Again, listen carefully. Whatever digit they have given, again, concentrate, everyone. 672. Firstly, I will take double of one's place. Double of one's place means 2 into 2 is equal to 4. Except one's place, I will write digit here. Except one's place, a digit is what? 67. 67 I have written here. Double of one's place I will write here is equal to 67 minus 4, 63. Now 63 I will check it is coming 7 table or not. Yes. Then I can say this 672 is divisible by 7. Are you getting my point, students? Note down concept. Double the last digit. Note down. Double the last digit. Double the last digit. Double the last digit and subtract and subtract it from a number made by the other digit. Subtract it from a number made by a number made by a number made by the other digits. Other digits. The result must be divisible by 7. The result must be the result must be divisible by 7. Example, 672. Yeah. First line he has given double the last digit. What is last digit here? Last digit is 2. Double the digit. Double means 2 into 2 is equal to 4. After that, except once digit, we will write here. Except once digit is 67. 67 I will write here. 67 minus double the last digit, 4, is equal to 63. Now 63 is coming 7 table. Yeah. The result, this is result. 63 is the result. Now 63 must be divisible by 7. Means if I am dividing here 63 divided by 7, then answer will come 9. Whole number is coming. Then I can say, hence 672 is divisible by 7. Hence 672 is divisible by 7. Yeah. Example 2. Second example, 175. 175. Digit is what? 175. Now what is the first step? Double the last digit. Double the last digit. Last digit is what? 5. 5 into 2, 10. Remaining digit is what? 17. 17 minus double the last digit. 17 minus 10 is equal to 7. Now 7 will come 7 table? Yes. Hence 175 is divisible by 7. Hence 175 is divisible by 7. Next, divisibility rule of 8. Divisibility rule of 8. A number is divisible by 8. A number is divisible by 8. A number is divisible by 8 a number is divisible by 8 a number is divisible by 8 if the number formed by if the number formed by if the number formed by the last three digits the last three digits last three digits of the number last three digits of the number is divisible by 8 is divisible by 8. Example, 7128. Concept he has given a number is divisible by 8 if the number formed by last three digit. Last three digit is what? 128. Now I want to check 128 is divisible by 8 or not. Means I will divide 128 divided by 8. 8 ones are 8. Subtraction. We can't subtract, we'll take borrow. Then what will come here? 4. 8 will bring down. We will read 8 table less than 48. 8 6 are 48. Remainder has come 0. Quotient is 16. Then I can say Yes, this digit is divisible by 8. Okay. Hence, 7128 is divisible by 8. If question they have given, check the given number divisible by 8 or not, I will check last 3 digit. Last 3 digit will be divisible by 8. If last 3 digit is not divisible by 8, then we can say the given number is not divisible by 8. Example second. Second example I am taking 34672. 34672. How to check the given number is divisible by 8 or not? I will check last 3 digit. Last 3 digit is 7672. Now I want to check 672 is divisible by 8 or not. We'll read a table less than 67 or equal to 67. 8 8s are 64. Subtraction 3 0 will bring down 2. Now we will read a table less than or equal to 32. 8 4s are 32. Remainder has come 0. Quotient is 84. Then we can say yes, this digit is divisible by 8. Hence 34,672 is divisible by 8.